Would y'all believe me if I told y'all these walnut meat nachos took just 25 to 30 minutes to cook? So, because I knew I was going to be eating these for dinner, I had them soaking since the morning. I made sure I blended them really good, so that I have minimal to no crunch. On this channel, I always talk about how I stay far away from the vegan processed meats and I just make my own substitutes from scratch. It's really the best way to go. That other stuff is not good for you. If you need bomb recipes, you can find my cookbook in the link in my bio. So I'm using this walnut meat for a substitute for ground beef. It definitely looks similar and it tastes really good, especially if you season it correctly. So for the walnut meat, all I added was taco seasoning and water because the cashew queso cheese will have plenty of flavor, so I didn't want to do too much. The cashew queso is super simple, so let me know if you want a video on how I made mine. It's super quick and easy. I like to add onions, peppers, and jalapenos to mine for some little extra razzle dazzle. Vegan dinner doesn't need to be hard, okay? Bye.